What's up, guys? So just pull your other.
Yep. They said it was gonna be here between 11:30 and 3:30. Yep. And 3:29.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna pass my house up, man. I was like, oh man, you better come out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna be replacing a fuel pump on a 21 570 Outlander XMR. I've got a lot of rough idling. It's making like a squirting sound inside the airbox, guys. So this is a real simple installation you guys can take care of at home. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let's get into the video. I'll turn the sucker on, let y'all see the idling problem that I'm having. I'm having a little rough idle, so take off the seat, cut it real quick, and I'm gonna turn it on just like this. That way you guys can get a closer look at what's going on. So you'll be able to hear it like goes in and out. It sounds like a squirt, a burst, I don't know, like a you know what I mean? So here we go. So if you guys can hear it, it's cutting out somewhere inside the airbox. Go ahead and take this off for you guys, for y'all to see in there. Of course it's gonna turn on. Hopefully it fixes our idling issue and gets us back up and running. Removing this fender here, there is going to be one 13mm here, which I've already taken out. There's going to be another one here on the other side, and then you got your star bolt here, Torx, I'm sorry, and you got two 13mm nuts on each end. Obviously you got to hold one end to get the nut off, so let's get into it. I've already pre-loosened everything just so we can make things quicker. So we're going to remove this bolt here. Get your nut. Sucker off. Might have some more plastic here to take off over the battery. Remove your gas cap, and then under here, remove the connectors on your regular rectifier. So let's go ahead and pry that off a little bit. It might take a couple wiggling.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So go ahead and start pulling off your plastics here, and walk around the other side with me, bud. By the way, I got my 14-year-old son here as a cameraman. Say what's up, boy. Say what's up, boy.
No.
Okay, he doesn't want to say what's up, guys. So just pull your other fender out, and this should just kind of pop off. You do have to pop it off these tabs on the fender well. Go ahead and set this down here. Make sure nothing's being pulled or any wires are being ripped out or some shit, you know what I mean? Take off the front cover here, this front lid with the LCD cover with the LCD display, and remove your side panel. That junk out of here. This is like I said, guys, this is easy to do if you got some mechanical experience. If not, just take it to the dealership. Come around this side, bud. All right, as you guys can see here, we have our line, we have our connector. We're not gonna go ahead and remove any of this. We're gonna go ahead and clean this out, get the air compressor and blow all this out, get it nice and clean, because we don't want any more dirt, anything to fall inside this gas tank, especially with the new fuel pump. We went ahead and took the fuel line. All I did was just kind of get a little flathead screwdriver, kind of wiggle it its way out. It does take a little bit, so be careful, just don't rip your hose, because then you got to go and replace a new one or back this little thing up. So the next step would be to go ahead and disconnect it, the connector, loosen this cap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a flathead and a hammer, and I'm going to just start, hammer it to the left side, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to go ahead and tap this sucker and break it loose. Loosen up this cap. This is how I'm doing it, guys. It's got these little ridges on it. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and turn it with my hands. I'm not superhuman, So just turn it like that. Be patient. Not hit it too hard. You don't want to break those little tabs off. The cap here loose. We're gonna go ahead and take this sucker off. So we're gonna go ahead and take off this little tray here, because you don't just want to yank it out. You know it's the old one. I'm trying to show you guys some nice how-to video, trying to do things the right way. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a challenge. I'm not a how-to video guy. I'm gonna lift up this tray here with the battery inside, just to give us some more room. We're gonna go ahead and take this guy out here. Oof. Let's see. So this is the old fuel pump, guys. I don't know, fuel strainer looks pretty good. The filter. So we're gonna toss that to the side.
It doesn't look all that bad.
Huh?
Doesn't look that bad.
It really actually does not look that bad. I'm not gonna lie. What's up, bud? What you got to say, all off-road people? Well, I'm what?
Recording without my consent.
Oh, I'm sorry, bud.
No, you're not.
So we're just finishing up draining all this damn gas, siphoning all this gas. Had
Who's
to
we?
jerry rig it there for the damn line can stay straight. All right, we got the gas tank all nice and cleaned up. Install the new pump, guys. Don't forget to transfer over your gasket, your seal. So the way you're gonna install this is in kind of like in a little hook position. You can put a little bit of tension on this, just don't go too crazy on it, and making sure your connector is facing towards the front end of the ATV here. So we're gonna go ahead and slip this sucker in. Again, you can press it just a little bit just to get it on in there. Just set this in there and make sure she's nice and seated properly. There she is, right there. You'll feel it. There's like a little dip where it'll just sit straight in there, and it's not like you're forcing it down in there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the let's get the cap on. Seated properly. I think that's good enough. That sucker ain't going nowhere. All right, so that's that. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our connectors. Where's the connector at? There it is. Let's stick that back in there. It's your main fuel line. We'll save that for the end. All nice and tight. There's no play in there. Connector set in. Fuel line is set in. All we got to do is just put everything back together. We're gonna go ahead and bolt the tray down and put everything back up, and I'll pick you guys here for a second. Hopefully this is the fuel pump that was going bad and it fixes this issue that you guys heard at the beginning of the video. And if not, we'll just move from there and go see what's really going on.
A few moments later.
Hey, it actually doesn't seem like it's doing it as much.
I'm in denial.
Here, so let me run to the gas station, get some more gas, and hopefully it fixed it. I did hear a little sputter in there. I don't know, did you hear it, AJ? Just a little bit. So I'm hoping I fill it up, and hopefully this. Got back from the store, got changed and showered up, man. I'm sweating bullets out here, man. Real quick, let's see what happens. Oh, it's still there, goddamn devil. It's still doing the same shit, man. Turned off. Well, on to the next step. Alright guys, as you can see, a bit disappointing. Spent $300 on the damn fuel pump and it is not fixed, bro. And I'm gonna be so angry if all I have to do is change out this CANAM air filter to like an OEM or like a Uni or some shit like that. Speaking on that, I got one on the way, Uni air filter for it. I'm gonna be so angry because I spent $300 and it was just maybe just an air filter. But I don't know, guys. It's still doing the little sputtering. It's still making that little squirt sound, if you will. But hey, who needs to be in idle anyways? We trying to send this shit, right? End up hitting up the dealership. So see what TMP can do for me here in Go Freeway, and we gonna catch you guys on another video. Let's go. This is my first how-to video, guys, and it was a failure. We'll catch you on the next one.
Huh? Yeah. They said it was gonna be here between 11:30 and 3:30. Yep. And it's 3:29 right now, so yeah. I hear the beep. They're backing up somewhere, so they're down the street right there, so it's coming. It's coming. Dang, it's hot out here, man. You turn me upside down and pour you a fresh glass of water out here. Yeah, I'm saying bullets. Nope. That was Amazon whacking Jeff Bezos in there. Yeah, that's me. That's me. I'm coming. Yeah, I thought you were gonna pass my house up, man. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna better come out.